as we begin to center ourselves into a time of prayer, a time of meditation. And so we begin by breathing deeply, breathing in the presence and the power of Spirit. We allow our thoughts to turn away from outer concerns, outer worries. We allow our mind to rest for just a moment from its constant need to know. And in this moment, we allow it to focus instead on the divine light and the divine love of truth that is shining itself as us right here and right now. And so as we focus on that light, that love, and that truth, we allow ourselves to listen deeply, knowing that in this moment we have already created a welcoming place for Spirit. We have already tended that soil for the seeds that Spirit will plant in this moment. And so we breathe deeply right here and right now, as we allow the truth of this space, the peace of this space, to take over our conscious awareness of this moment. And ever so gently, we allow ourselves to drift now into the stillness, into the silence, into the peace of Spirit. And ever so gently now, we allow ourselves to be drawn back to this time and this place, allowing the awareness of the world around us to creep its way back in. We allow ourselves to fill with gratitude for the blessings that we have received in this moment. And as we re-enter this day, we make our intention to open our ears, to open our hearts, to open our minds to receive more of the light and the love that has been planted within us right here and right now. And it is for that that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.